Friends, hello! In this video, I want to tell and show you how you can very easily and simply propagate your favorite strawberry, especially when you need to move it from one bed to another bed. Most strawberry varieties also produce shoots. On these shoots, it forms new seedlings that still get nourishment from the main adult bush, such as nutrients. But when this part actually touches the soil, as you can really see, the roots literally start to grow. If you don't need to move it anywhere, just make a small depression in the soil, insert it carefully and gently, but don't bury this spot any deeper. Bury the soil approximately about a centimeter with caution. No more, so as not to bury this growth point. See, it's very small right in front of my finger. If we bury it, the seedling won't make it. It will rot in the soil. And now I'll show you an example. This is an old bush. A shoot came out from the old bush. This seedling was on it. I buried it. It has already taken root and has its own root system. So only when it has taken root and grown a few additional leaves, we can cut off these runners. Cut from this bush and also from that bush. Remember, as a rule, it's best to take only 2 seedlings from one bush because the bushes produce a lot of such shoots and expend all their energy on their offspring. There's low energy. Harvest is small or tiny. We leave 2 shoots and remove others. Harvest is plenty and we have seedlings. But when we need to move seedlings from one bed to another or for sale, we do it in a different manner. Carefully. We dig holes, insert cups into the holes, and plant these seedlings into the cups. As you can see, this one is already trimmed, and this one still needs trimming. We cut it off slightly, and we also carefully remove it here. We carefully and gently pull it out and see the root system. Dig a hole deep enough to fit this cup. Throw a handful of fertilizer into the hole. This is dry, granulated chicken manure. It is sold in stores. Mix it with soil so that the root system is not placed directly on the chicken manure, but so that it is underneath. Now, we take our seedling out of the cup. It has a very good root system and can already be planted. It will take root quickly. We pour some water, and while there is still water here, we place it and cover with soil. Also, the same rule applies here. You must not bury it below the level of this young growth because it will die. And we make it so that we have a circle around it in such a way that it forms a circular shape into which we will later pour water, and the water will then collect here. This way we haven't compacted the soil on top and we won't water it anymore because there's enough water. The soil is very moist. That's it. The seedling will take root and spread quickly. If you found the information in this video useful, give it a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. See you in the next videos.